What if I tell you that there is a technology that would change the way we search for information, learn, and even interact with the internet? A technology so advanced it could change giants like OpenAI and redefine how we use AI in our daily lives. Welcome to the DeepSeek, the future of search engines. Hi everyone. Today we are diving into the DeepSeek, the revolutionary technology that goes beyond the traditional search engines as well as the modern AI systems, that is OpenAI. We will see how DeepSeek works, the cutting edge technology behind it, and why it might be the game changer for the industries as well as individual ones. You might be wondering that why we are comparing this DeepSeek with the OpenAI systems like ChatGPT. While OpenAI is focused on creating conversational AI and content generation, but on the other hand, DeepSeek is designed to be the ultimate search engine. If you are the one who is thinking that the DeepSeek is the copy of the ChatGPT, it is not like that. DeepSeek is completely different from the ChatGPT. Here is the comparison between the OpenAI's ChatGPT and the DeepSeek. So while OpenAI generates creative, human-like responses based on the previous data, it tries to mimic the pattern what is fed into that. But the DeepSeek goes the step further by diving deep into the context and emotions and relationship behind your query, pulling out the data not from just the web but also the deep web. That's why it makes it very different platform from the ChatGPT and other AI tools. Imagine combining the conversational ability of OpenAI and with the search engine that truly understands you. That's the potential of the DeepSeek. You might be curious to know about the DeepSeek. What actually this DeepSeek is about. So in the simple words, DeepSeek is a smarter search engine that uses advanced AI technology to provide you smarter, faster, and more accurate search results. Unlike other search engines, DeepSeek not only matches the keywords but also it understands your emotions. For example, you are a college student who is searching for a course for any project or anything. So if you are searching on the DeepSeek, the most important point is that it not only provides you the code from the various website, but also it will understand your query and it will tell you that how you can develop the approach for these type of codes. In the DeepSeek, there is a very important good feature that is thinking. When you search for the code, it will think for the 30 seconds that how can we generate the approach for the following question that you have given to it. And in this way, you can easily understand that how can you also generate the same approach like DeepSeek has given. And this thinking ability of the DeepSeek make it far better than the OpenAI's ChatGPT. So you might be thinking that how can they train the model in the very low amount? So the technology behind the DeepSeek is that reinforcement learning. So the DeepSeek uses reinforcement learning. DeepSeek learns how user interact each time you search it, improves itself, optimizing results based on what you searched before. This ensures that the system gets smarter with your query. This DeepSeek is not only about the casual browsing, but also it will help in transforming the industries with the healthcare. Doctors can quickly access the rare medical research and case studies. Second, it will benefit in the education. Students can find precise answers to complex questions, saving their time. And third, businesses. Companies can analyze trend, customer behaviors, and market data with the ease. DeepSeek is not only the tool, but also the glimpse to the future that how would we interact with the information. So what do you think? DeepSeek is the future of search engine. What's your thought? Please put in the comment section. I actually want to know what are you using in today's era, like Google, ChatGPT, OpenAI, Claude, DeepSeek. There are so many search engines, AI platforms. Actually, what are you using? Please put in the comment section. And if you ask me, I actually enjoyed this technology. If you want a complete tutorial about the DeepSeek, then you can also tag in the comment section. We will meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning and subscribe the channel for more.